Hi, welcome to everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about how to format a USB drive using command prompt CMD. First, let's open command prompt. Type CMD in the Windows search bar. Then click on Administrator, found on this right side. Now, in the command prompt window, type disk path and hit Enter. To view the list of available disks, type list disk and press Enter. Here, you can see a list of disks, and we'll select the one you want to format. Identify your USB drive by its size. In this case, my 14 GB drive is disk 1. To select it, type select disk 1. Then hit Enter. Now, we will clean the USB drive. Type clean and press Enter. Next, create a primary partition by typing create partition primary. Then pressing Enter. To format the drive with the NTFS file system, type format fs equal NTFS and hit Enter. It may take a few minutes for the formatting process to complete. Now, be patient and wait for the formatting to finish. Once you see the successfully completed message, you are almost done. You have successfully formatted your USB drive. You can see that it's now a clean, formatted disk. To exit disk path, simply type exit and press Enter. That's it. You have learned how to format a USB drive using command prompt. Remember to use these commands carefully and double check the disk number to avoid accidental data loss. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.